Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be making simple lip scrubs with strawberry scent. Stick around and learn. So these are the ingredients. We have some flavoring oil, strawberry and mint, and we also have coconut oil and brown sugar. And for extra, you can use some pigment for lip gloss or lip creams, or you can use food coloring. So first, you're just going to start with the mixing game by mixing your coconut oil with your brown sugar. Brown sugar is nice because it doesn't scratch your lips. It's very soft, and you'll just mix that in with the coconut oil. Make sure the coconut oil is mixed in well so you won't have like large lumps of coconut oil, because it will melt to a liquid form, but then depending on the temperature in your house, it will go back to a solid form. So mix it well so that the sugar is mixed in evenly and the coconut oil is also mixed evenly. Continue to check the consistency so that you'll have it in a way that you like it. I'm making this for myself, not anyone else. So check it on your wrist, see how it feels. If you need more coconut oil, do you need more sugar? Do that according to how you like it, and continue to mix until you get the desired consistency. Have the desired consistency, go in and add your lip cream or lip gloss color and mix that in. You can add more and more. I know this is a brown sugar, so you may have to add more color than usual to get that brown look out, or you don't need color at all. You can leave it just brown. It's up to you. I'm going to add more until I get a real pink look. If I was using a white sugar, then I would only need a little bit, but we'll add more. Now it's time for some flavor. I have strawberry and I have mint. I'm going to make one of each. So I split my scrub in half, and I will add mint in one and strawberry in the other. I will only use about 5 drops in each mixture. If you want more, be careful. You don't want it to be too strong. Alright, so we're all done. Just place these babies in the fridge so you can make that coconut oil a little solid and use it how you like. Thanks for watching, you guys, and join me on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.